Today's topic is kinetic energy of a charged particle accelerated through a potential difference in an electric field. We know when a particle of mass m and carrying a charge q is placed in a uniform electric field, the field exerts a force on the particle which can be expressed as. Now, if the particle is free to move, then it performs an accelerated motion under the applied force or the force which is given by the above expression. Therefore, the acceleration of the particle can be expressed as. Therefore, using equation 1 in second, what we will obtain
A is equals to QE by M. Since E is constant, therefore the acceleration is also constant. Hence, the motion of the particle is uniformly accelerated. Let the particle start from rest. We are assuming this thing. Suppose its velocity becomes v after traveling a distance x in the field. Then what we will have? We will have v square is equals to 2ax, or if we are using the value of a, then v square is equals to qe 2qe by m into x. Now if v is the potential difference between the starting point and the point situated at a distance x, then E is equals to v upon x. Now we may use this equation to the fourth. Therefore, on using 15 fourth, what we will have, v square is equals to 2qv by m, or from here v is equals to under root of 2qv by m. By this formula, we can determine the velocity with which the charged particle will move. Now for kinetic energy, we know that kinetic energy is half mv square. Let this be equation number 7. So using value of v square from equation 6 in 7, what we will have? We will have kinetic energy is equals to qv. So from this, now it's clear to you that kinetic energy is qv. Now if a charged particle is an electron, then q can be replaced by small e, which means kinetic energy is equals to e small e into capital V, or also called as electron volt. So here we are introducing a new unit of kinetic energy or energy, which is an electron volt, and definitely it will have some relationship with the joule. We have to find the relationship between the energy in joule and in electron volt. Now we know charge on an electron can be expressed as 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So using this value, what we will have, that 1 electron volt is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb volt, which is equivalent to joule. So what we may say, that 1 electron volt is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule.